Let me ask you something deep, and I need you to really sit with this before you answer. What if the reason you are stuck is not your situation, but your location? Not your finances, not your past, not even the people around you, but the place, the environment, the spiritual zip code you are currently living in. Stay with me, because what I am about to share changed my life forever. A few years ago, I was living in a city that felt like it was slowly swallowing me whole. I had a job, I had people around me. On the outside, everything looked fine, but on the inside, I was dying. The people I called friends were dragging me further away from God every single day. The conversations were empty. The environment was toxic, and every morning I woke up, I felt a little less like myself. I kept praying, God, change me. But God kept whispering something different back. He wasn't saying, I'll change you where you are. He was saying, it's time for you to move. And I know some of you watching this right now, you already feel it in your spirit. That restlessness, that quiet nudge, that feeling that something has to shift. Don't ignore it. That is God talking. See, the Bible is full of stories about people whose breakthrough only came when they changed their location. Abraham had to leave his hometown before he could receive his promise. Ruth had to leave Moab before she could walk into her destiny. Even Jesus was told in Mark chapter 6 that he could do no mighty work in his hometown because of their unbelief. Think about that. Even the Son of God was limited by a wrong location. So what makes us think we can reach our full potential, surrounded by the wrong people, in the wrong environment, breathing the wrong spiritual air? Your location is not neutral. It is either feeding your faith or starving it. Now, before you stop me and say, but I can't just pick up and move, I need you to hear this. Changing your location is not always about geography. Sometimes it means leaving the wrong conversations. Sometimes it means stepping out of the wrong church, where your gifts are being buried instead of grown. Sometimes it means removing yourself from a friendship circle that only celebrates your worst version. Your location is anywhere your spirit is being formed. When I finally made the move, I want to be honest with you, it was terrifying. I left behind familiarity. I left behind comfort. I even left behind people I loved. But the moment I stepped into the new location God was calling me to, something inside me woke up. I found community that challenged me to pray harder. I found mentors who saw the calling on my life. I found a version of myself I had almost given up on. God did not change his plan for me. He just needed me to change my address. Are you still with me? Because this is the part that matters most. You have been praying for a breakthrough. You have been fasting. You have been believing. But what if God has already prepared the next level for you? And he is simply waiting for you to be brave enough to leave where you are. I need you to understand something. Loyalty to the wrong location is not faithfulness. It is fear wearing a spiritual costume. God is not asking you to be reckless. He is asking you to be obedient. Abraham did not know where he was going. Hebrews 11 verse 8 tells us that clearly. But he went anyway. And that one step of obedience became the foundation of a nation. Your obedience today could be the turning point for your entire generation. So here's what I want you to do right now. Get quiet, get before God, and ask him this one question. Lord, am I in the right location? Not the comfortable location, not the familiar location, but the right location. And whatever he shows you, be brave enough to act on it, Because your promise is not lost. It is not canceled. It is just waiting for you in a place you haven't been yet. Change your location. Change your life. Change your legacy. If this message stirred something in you, drop a fire emoji in the comments right now. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, because every week we bring you the word that pushes you forward. God is not done with you. Your next chapter is calling. Will you answer?